Alright boys, it has been way too long since we started the Pulsar project, and you can see it does not look good. As far as I got, battery went flat, I pushed it out of the shed, it got rained on, the window switch doesn't work, so the window's not working. But I finally got some parts. I got the front wings, the fenders, the bumper, the grille. I think I've got everything complete, so now it's just a matter of putting it all back together, which shouldn't take too long. I'm gonna give it a crack today and see where we end up. So to recap, it had the damage in the front end, smashed in the front, bonnet was wrecked, headlights, bumper, everything was smashed in. Condenser, radiator, so I fixed basically everything, which should have taken me not that long, but it did. I got a new bonnet, new bumper, new fenders, grill in there. I had to get the non-indicator type, which was a problem. Been out in the sun, so been prone to wet weather, which has been the issue, that now the water's got in and wrecked that switch as well. And we had some lovely rats get inside and have chewed up under the seat, and it smells like absolute pee in there. And if you have a look on this side, you'll see my little mate. Big rat was right there. So I got some rat traps in there, some poison, and he is out of there. So it's time to put this thing back together. All right, got the panels, got the grill. Look at that. I've been trying to find one of these for so long. I think I paid $75 for it. Just like that. Pretty good. Pretty good. And then just the panels. I've been trying so hard to find ones that don't have the indicator. They have two models. One's got the indicator. This is the non-indicator type, which mine is. And yes, I know it's red. The bumpers are black, the bonnet's black, but that's all we could get. And all going to plan. That's what Yes. Yes. Alright, we're going to work our way around the car here. We're going to put this right wing on, or fender as we call it here. And I'm going to run into a bit of a problem as I try and put the bottom on here. Hey, my little baby girl there. But I have a little problem on the bottom of this panel, which I'll show you a bit later on. Now working around to the other side, nice and easy. I must say it's very refreshing to see these go on. I've tried so hard to find these with the non-indicator type, which has been the issue, and it's sort of been a big delay trying to find them, so I'm pretty happy here. Now yes, I should put that grill on first, but I'm going to put the bumper on just temporarily, slide the grill in, and we are starting to look really good. Now this is the problem under here. You can see when I've jacked the car up, I've actually squished that sill. So I'm going to have to jack it up another way and sort of flatten that out and make it so that screw will go in. Little chip there, that crack in the front bumper, but the spoiler kit, the body kit will fix that up. Look at those panels, nice and tight to the bottom here. And another issue I've found is looking around this headlight, that headlight support isn't in the right spot, so I've got some work to do there. And you can really tell that by putting this shroud on top. None of these holes line up just quite right, so we're not 100% of the way there. Still got a bit of work to do, but man, we are getting close. Very, very close. Yeah, you can see those holes just don't quite line up, so just got to pull that whole section out just a smidge, and it'll be looking good. Next thing, the battery. I actually forgot I had it on charge for a few weeks. Totally forgot about that, but at least it's full. So I'll get that battery in and see if we can turn this beast over. Last one did this a while back, it did run, so fingers crossed, we're all going to be running from here on. Now, as I was cleaning, I uncovered a big issue here. They've got through and smashed the seatbelt. They must have run in the inside of the car here. That might be it for today. Fenders are on, bonnet's on, grill is on, bumper is on. Just got to finish attaching this piece here, and then I'm going to fix that light. I think this piece has to come out a touch further, and then put the kit back on, side skirts, detail, and we are good to go.